So how can you reset your Windows laptop if you forgot your password? So I actually forgot my password, and what you can do is hold shift and then hold shift, the shift button right over here, and then just click on there on this button right over here and click on restart. All right, so shift and then restart. And you're gonna have to hold shift until you see this right over here, this this setup of this dashboard, whatever you call it. So what you're gonna have to select from here is this icon. See, click on this icon even if you don't understand what is being said here, because it's in Italian, but just click on this icon right over here, and then you're gonna have to click on here on this icon, and then I'm gonna click on this icon. Now we're just gonna have to wait, and then you're gonna see this now already installed from my local, so I don't have to use any kind of like cloud or things like that. So I'll just select this this option, right? So now we're just reinstalling, though, just resetting your computer, and it's, I've selected without any files, so I'll delete here, so you can keep your files. You're gonna see here, keep my files or not. So I don't want to keep any of my files. I'll just continue like this, right? So let's just continue. So it's gonna take some time now to reset your computer. Usually it takes some time. So I'll click on here, Posta, and then we're gonna say this is gonna take some time. As I said before, I repeated myself, but usually it takes some time. Now we're just gonna have to wait, basically.